Hey, what's up fam? Kurt with Caribeque. So today we are going to be making prime rib. But not only prime rib, herb and crusted prime rib, and probably the easiest prime rib recipe you will ever see. Come with me, let's go. So here we have a beautiful 5-pound ribeye. Bones are still attached and tied on so that we can cook and get all that beautiful flavor from the bone. For a binder, I'm gonna use Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it. Gonna apply it on all sides. Use that as a binder. Make sure when you do this, you're using a tray so all your spillage doesn't go everywhere. Alrighty, after that, let me take off my gloves, and we are going to apply a base coat of big and bold beef. And then we're gonna add a top coat of all-purpose rub. Now make sure you get all sides of your prime rib. And then go ahead and apply a light top layer of AP rub. We are not high in sodium, so this will not be salty. No matter what you think, it will not be salty. Now, I have some crushed rosemary and some crushed thyme that I'm gonna add to the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show you the next steps. This is what your prime rib should look like after you're all done seasoning. We used Worcestershire sauce as a binder. We did a light base layer of big and bold beef. Then we did a top layer of AP rub. Then after that, I took some crushed rosemary and crushed thyme, beautiful herbs for prime rib, and crusted it on the outside. Let's go ahead and get our grill ready. So I'm using my Weber gas grill. It's a 3-burner grill. How I have it set up is the far left burner and the far right burner are on low. The middle burner's off. I added a drip tray underneath the grates so I can catch all the grease for 2 reasons. 1, easier cleanup. 2, if you want to make some au jus, you can do that. So let's go ahead and get this prime rib on the grill. Now that we have our grill set up for indirect, let's go ahead and place our prime rib over the drip pan. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this thermometer stuck in at least halfway, and it looks like it's gonna be right there. My goal is to pull this off between 125 to 130 for a medium rare cook. For those of you that like it rarer, go lower. If you like it more well done, take it up to 130. I like medium rare, and that's how we're set up right now. Regarding temperature, with both the left and right sides being on low and the middle burner being off, we've settled in at a temperature of about 350, which is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and let our prime rib cook to our internal temperature of 125. All right, so here we are. We're reading at about 124. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off, put it on the counter, cover it with some foil, and let it rest. We'll come back with the final slicing video. So after bringing our prime rib inside, covering with foil, tenting it, and letting it rest for about 15 minutes, I went ahead and sliced it just to show you what medium rare looks like. This is a 125-degree pull. If you like your prime rib more well done, take it up to 135 or 140 if you must. Kurt with Caribeque, like or comment below, out.